Previously on Black Ops 3.
Please, come on, man.
You know what? Fine.
Get out!
His nose, damn, his nose big.
Hey, yo.
Ow, I'm getting shot at. Hey, Dig, if I get down,
God.
can you revive me in this truck?
I don't even know.
Look at his nose, bruh. The video hasn't even started yet, and this guy is already eating snacks. Freaking fat!
Hot and spicy one.
Oh god, even better. But I prefer the classic.
Our cargo, prototype for the Winslow Core Neural Network Initiative. At its core, specialized AI software that's capable of rewriting itself in order to interface with any other system in the world. State-of-the-art stuff back in the day. It'd go on to revolutionize.
I don't know, I cannot get this guy serious with that big nose that he has.
At least, it would have if the train had reached its destination.
Oh god.
At 7:31 a.m., a terrorist group detonated an explosive device on board this train. The incident sent back our robotics program several years. You're here to stop it.
This isn't real. It can't be. What is happening to me?
Right now,
I have
right
no
now, you're in a
idea. It's like the
medically-induced
Matrix all
coma
over
being
again.
prepped for surgery. You've got a new bit of hardware inside your head. It's called a direct neural interface, or DNI. I've got one too. That's how I'm able to communicate with you. Your DNI is what connects your mind with your new body and the larger world around you. We're connected.
I don't want to be
All
connected.
this
And that
is
doesn't
a
sound right
simulation
either.
inside our minds. And you got a long way to go.
That guy just had a full face of glass. I don't care if it's virtual or not. Whoa, this is looking pretty gnarly, dude. Whoa. I'll stop. What the hell? Abandoned steel mill.
RPG!
Oh god.
11:30 a.m. December 11th, 2054. Zurich security forces receive an anonymous tip giving them the location of a hideout the terrorists are using. Unfortunately, the ZSF underestimated the firepower these assholes were packing.
Damn.
They got caught with their pants down, and they took it hard. Outcome? Train go boom. You remember Diaz?
I think so.
Gonna help get you up to speed on some of the cool new shit you can do.
Really? Oh god. His nose also really big.
Communication, brother. We all gotta be in sync. Yo, Taylor, you're a fucking dick. He didn't hear shit on a closed channel. I don't even have to think about it. But, just so you know, if you ever think about calling Taylor a dick for real, brother, he's gonna mess you up worse than those robots.
I highly
Right.
doubt that.
Let's go see if you can do this without ending up as Swiss cheese like those poor bastards.
Oh my god, we're gonna lose some stuff.
Okay.
Oh god. Let's go, guys. High-tech robot versus... Okay. Oh god.
Humans with guns.
What? How are you still alive? Well, you're not really alive to be... Okay. Oh. I know I'm the best, Dig. I know I am. I love how you're just like just pulling your hand at me just to pick me up. You're not even touching me. You're just like, come on, brother, get him. I'm shooting our own teammates because I suck. I mean, I'm great.
Provide combat critical info to help you better read the battlefield.
Oh god, oh god, oh god.
Hold here.
Okay. This is not... What? That's grenade. Oh god. Pushing. Or not. Okay, yeah, I'm pushing a little bit.
All right.
Okay,
Use
that's a
your
teammate.
enhanced mobility. It may take a little getting used to.
Oh yeah,
but your
wall running.
confidence will soon grow. Try it for yourself. I got a hunter says you can do it.
Hey,
Yeah, I remember messing that up too.
what? What am I supposed to do?
Attack mode will highlight inbound threats such as rockets and
What?
grenades. You see flashing red?
Wait,
Move.
what? Nicholas, help me!
David, I'm gonna show you. Look at me.
Uh-huh.
Literally just jump on the wall. Like face to the wall.
Bruh.
Oh my God. Bro,
What do
literally
you-
face to the wall, my guy.
I'm facing the wall!
Jump on it, man. You're not jumping on it, dumbass.
I am, I promise.
Okay, now you're jumping on. Yeah, it's kind of messy, kind of glitch.
No.
Nah, bro. All you have to do is just jump on the wall, bro.
Bruh. Screw this freaking crap. Could've just done that. Oh, that guy lost $100.
Oh damn. Oh yeah. Let me just go to this other side. Fuck that.
Ow, ow. Okay, I got shot 2 times. I get shot once and I'm already almost at critical health. Let's go.
No, take cover. There's an enemy out here.
Yeah,
Oh,
what's
wait,
the worst
oh,
that can
shooting at
happen if I
Diaz.
don't go in cover?
See the red and yellow markers? They represent kill zones, not somewhere you want to be. Reinforce.
Bruh. How are you not on the zone when I threw the grenade? Alright, where you
Okay,
at?
so yellow means okay and red means dead. Okay, I got you. But is it doesn't stay on forever.
Attack mode info is synced across the team.
Ow!
When we see something, we all see it. Keep it for cover.
Oh, okay, so whatever our teammates see, I can see them as well. Okay. That makes
Keep
sense.
moving up.
David, where you at?
I'm back here trying not to die.
Come to my area.
Check your ammo.
It's easier.
Grab more
Oh,
if you
never
need
mind.
it.
Wow, really? If I need more ammo, pick it up? Who knew? I threw a grenade!
Shot David, damn. Right in front of
Oh,
you.
no wonder I'm getting hit. I'm in the red.
Just walk to me. Crawl to me, I mean. Oh damn. Their aim's up. Their aim is even.
I'm almost there.
Man. No, there's no. Oh, got him.
Alright, so far Dig got down 6 times and I had to revive him 6 times.
Sure. Yeah, hold on. Oh no, they're throwing a grenade. Fuck that. I saw that coming.
Ah, that could have been so cool, but I missed. Damn it. Oh.
Interact with a variety of computer systems.
I'll tell you
including
what, this
pretty much
campaign
all
is
the basic
10,000
drone
times
units.
easier with
And
multiple
bipeds,
people.
Sophisticated ground units. Those are a whole lot trickier, brother. Those
Telling
sons
you,
of
playing
bitches
this
got
campaign
damn
by yourself
high.
on hard or difficult.
You
Oh
try to
my god,
process
it's
and
way
control all
too
that,
easy.
your brain is toast. With these
Oh, I
fuckers
was
are easy.
confused on how to use these.
Go ahead. Hack in. Go see what's on the other side of this wall.
Okay. How do I do that?
I don't have the hacking thing.
I thought I did, but I guess not.
I might have to switch to that after this mission.
Sounds about right.
Yo, you wanna see something cool? Down those paths.
Okay, I'm getting shot. Doesn't feel nice. Ow. I'm not even in freaking yellow, and I'm still getting shot. Okay, these guys are shooting rockets and they both miss.
Oh my god, what the fuck? Yo, yo. Oh my god, where did that guy came from? Where in the blue hell that guy came from?
Oh, that's red. Oh, that's red. Oh, that's red. Ow, I just stepped on a red and I did not like it. I missed. I know I suck.
Watch out. Oh my god, how did that not hit you? How?
I guess I'm just lucky.
These faggots are using RPGs, it's annoying.
Hey, watch. I'm gonna throw this. I'm gonna get a kill. Watch. Damn, I missed. I missed. Because I'm just too dang good. Man, if any one of us had a hacking tool, this would have been like 3 times easier.
What?
But we actually, and the person that's controlling the drone isn't doing anything. Look, it's just not doing anything.
The ARs never do anything in campaigns. Let's just remember that, okay? Let's remember that fact, okay?
Really happy I didn't choose realistic difficulty.
Yo, go prone, dumbass! Don't fucking get up.
You know what's what I love about LMGs? You could just keep shooting and not have to reload for a while.
Oh my! I literally shot directly at this nigga. How the fuck is he not dead?
That was fun. I like destroying stuff. Are we done yet?
Grab fresh
Get
ammo
shot.
whenever you see an ammo crate. Last thing you want is to be in a fight with no bullets. Come on, let's go.
No, wait. Can I have
Really?
more fun like that? Come on. Let me go all the way down. Ah, that sucked. And then again, sliding
no,
on.
I don't think I like this part. Oh my god.
They got security cam.
Suppressors,
Okay.
second level.
That's a sentry gun, dude. That's a sentry gun.
Remote hijack on those
Well,
turrets.
one of them is dead. I'm telling
Oh
you,
my
if we
God,
had
they
a
threw a
hacking tool, it
grenade.
would have been so much easier. And I just watched a teammate blow himself up. Never mind, he's still alive.
Yo.
Your environment. Shoot down
Oh
those
wait,
bastards.
the sentry gun is done.
I disabled them, because at least that's my ability. Disabling.
Oh god, that's another sentry gun to the right side.
It's gone.
No, it ain't.
Oh, I thought I was shooting the right one. Disabled. You can move forward.
Alright, I think I destroyed it. Yeah, it's done. Okay, I'm gonna go back to get some ammo because
I want to have a
so much.
sentry gun. I'm telling you, I want to be the hacker. I like hacking. Hacking's fun. I'm using all my bullets just to
Campaign,
kill one guy.
If you like hacking, bitch, play Watch Dogs.
Burp.
But
It's funny
what do you think
because
about Watch Dogs
wrong.
Legion? Because like you played it.
Oh god, okay. Watch Dogs, okay. First one, I liked it. Second one, by far the best Watch Dogs. It's a really good. Like you just fall in love with the characters.
Once inside, interface with their central console.
But Watch Dogs Legions, they kind of let me down, bruh. Honestly.
Shit.
Like, it's not bad.
Second. Take a deep breath in. Tell me what happened.
Ow. Headache.
I was back in Ethiopia. The grunts, I lived it all again. What's happening to me?
Shh. You know how your senses can trigger vivid memories? Make you think of sounds, sights, words from songs.
Just got hella
Make you think of stuff
munching
you
on them
haven't thought of in
chips.
years. D&I can make that a lot more
Oh my bad,
visceral.
bro.
Little glitches on your optics, little whispers in your ear. This shit happens. Doctor can straighten it out. You just need to recalibrate your meds. Trust me, you're gonna be fine.
Oh my
So
god, you're
what
making
now?
my entire TV
Oh,
freaking
right
glitch.
now, you're gonna interface with that console. As soon as you plug in, you'll be able to extract and process the information in a heartbeat.
Bet.
Got it.
Connecting.
They had a man on the inside at Coalescence. He would have been able to supply them with everything they needed to bypass the security on the train.
The botched assault, man, it took 6 hours for the ZSF to get that information. Outcome? Train go boom. Took you just 6 minutes.
Yeah, it would have been 5 if you hadn't freaked out when you saw those robots.
So what happens now?
I can tell you it's been more than 5 minutes.
Now we go find the son of a bitch.
Or 6, a matter of fact. Okay, so I can't even do a simple wall run, so as soon as he starts doing wall runs, I'm effed.
Don't worry, I could do it.
Alright guys, we need to get these guys quietly. That is not quiet!
Oh man! As soon as he saw that C4, that is not quiet. Oh yeah, we gotta chase this bastard.
Tipped off by his terrorist
What the
pals.
fuck is this?
The mole was ready for him. He had heavy-duty combat grunts.
Oh, look at that whiskey!
Once again, the Zerg security force got their asses handed to them. Outcome. Train go boom.
We get it! Train go
Oh
boom.
my god.
You remember Specialist Sarah Hall? She's gonna walk you through the next part. Trust her, do exactly
Have you
what
played
she says. I
Fallout
trained her
4 before?
myself. She's an
No, I have
intelligence
never
expert.
played a single
Back
Fallout
when
game.
that actually meant something.
Before DNI, you had to read books. In the academy,
I'm about to
Taylor
play
made me read a
Fallout
lot of them.
4.
Some knowledge is worth earning. Appreciating.
I do not like it when this guy
Yeah,
smiles.
I'm
He's
okay.
hella creepy, bruh.
Time is something we don't always have.
And his eyes are really blue.
Okay, new blood, it's gonna feel any less real. Use your imagination.
Oh yeah, I'll definitely use my
Setting this
imagination,
location to your
man.
HUD.
What the hell? Oh, robots! Robots!
I love robots. I can actually disable them.
Nice to see you ain't a quitter. I still have line of sight.
Okay. Oh!
Our boy's hacking the ZSF
I
talent.
fell.
What does that tell you?
He's running scared. Not sitting behind a computer. He can only be controlling them if he's got a DNI too.
You're a smart one, new blood. I'll give you
I'm
that.
chasing him.
Son of a bitch is still moving.
What the fuck?
Use
Oh,
that
does it get
billboard to
down
get
here?
over the maglev
Okay.
train.
Okay. I can't wall run! What happens if I touch the train? Will I die?
I like
Yeah,
trains.
pretty much.
I
Maybe it needs to be revived.
died. Help! Help me before another train comes!
I like trains. Yeah.
Okay, now we're supposed to go.
He's gonna get away if you don't pick up the pace.
Don't worry, I'm picking up the
He's heading
pace.
into Old Zurich. Move.
Ow. Okay.
Okay.
Disabled. I can't disable those though, because
starting
mine
to
needs to
lag.
recharge. Disabled.
Oh, they're back. They're back. Behind us.
Just
Okay.
run! Just run!
Guys.
Aha, I got this ready. Dies.
Take them down.
Okay, these are disabled. They're just going down very slowly. Oh god.
Don't lose him now, newbie.
I can't wall run! I just shot a friendly.
Oh, damn.
I just shot a friendly. Whoops!
I'm with Hall.
I can't wall run.
Oh my god.
These guys are just showing off their wall running skills. I can't do none of that.
Grab him, new blood.
I'm
I didn't know,
going.
lad.
Now's your chance. Take him down.
I'm gonna get him. Ah! Yes! I got him.
Didn't work out so
What?
well, huh, Burr? You
What?
can't let that happen. Not before you get the information we need.
I don't think he's in any
They
condition
big
to
got the
talk.
He
VMP.
doesn't have to. He has a DNI.
No, I'm not touching his buns. You got me effed
Buried
up.
beneath layers of security protocols, the subject's DNI records cam footage of the user's past experiences.
This shit is so boring.
In extreme circumstances,
Gotta admit, I
it is
make it fun though.
possible to extract that information by force
Yeah, make it fun by dying every time.
into the subject's
Dang.
thoughts and subconscious. You could learn everything we need to know about the terrorist plans.
I'm sensing a bud coming up somewhere.
You should know. Not only will this procedure be
Oh my god, Nick.
subject, but the associated subconscious interference will leave him brain dead. Dead. Believe me, this is a bad way to go.
He's a dead man anyway. Besides, he's a fucking terrorist.
Or is he? We're scanning his brain. Well, that was easy.
A few minutes ago, you knew nothing. What do you know now?
I know where they are. They're using the old train tunnels to plan their attack.
What you just learned through your DNI took the ZSF weeks to uncover. What do you think I'm gonna say next? Outcome. Train go boom.
Then why you still saying
You
it?
know you can make tough decisions when you have to. I think it's time we moved on.
I'm going through my brain again. Hella drugs. And all this is going on in my brain. What the hell?
Taking heavy fire! Napa, back up!
The ZSF finally tracked down the terrorists to this location. For their sake, they really wish they had.
You're still here, huh?
Yup.
Pity. I bet D has 100 that you'd be dead by now.
Funny man, Specialist Peter Moretti. He's gonna help you understand how much of a badass motherfucker
But
you
it
are
been
now.
so boring, bro.
Remember,
And the missions are so
Still don't have the
long
last
too.
piece of the
Oh
puzzle.
my
How in the
god.
hell they got the explosives on board the train?
Please, I just want this nightmare to be over. Please.
So we're clear? When this is over, you owe me 100.
No, when this is over, I'm closing the
As you
application.
know, one of the perks of being Black Ops is having access to the latest in experimental weaponry. Firearms may be your go-to choice for a
Bro,
weapon
shut
in a
your
fight.
black ass up.
DNI, your mind truly is your
I
greatest
ain't gonna lie,
weapon.
his haircut look nice. I
Let's
can't.
do some damage.
can't even front.
Yay, we're gonna
Oh,
have a
shit, this nigga's
teammate.
so
Let's
bad.
go. That guy just blew up by him just looking at him.
Like,
know how
just
bad?
reaching out his arms, his hands. I mean, robots with shotguns. Oh, this is amazing. Oh yeah.
Don't worry, Dick. I have that power too, but I don't kill him instantly. I just disable them for a few seconds.
Oh wow, I use this for no reason. Okay.
We're aiming at this guy's feet. That's a teammate. That's not a teammate. Okay, I'm actually getting hurt. Okay.
I
Oh
use my EMP. Bro, don't tell me you went down.
no! No, I didn't. I haven't gone down this entire game. I don't know what you're talking about. I keep having reviving you, bruh. You know how annoying that gets? I missed. How? They're like right there!
We'll make a soldier out of you yet.
Buddy, with my accuracy, I'm not.
Oh, stunned him. Stun gun. You done?
Or,
Oh,
damn.
ooh, that grenade helped.
no, it did not. What is with my random aiming, bruh?
Ooh.
Thank God this gun has like so much ammo.
Not bad, new blood.
Ciao.
Oh, hi. Oh God.
Really quick. With the quickness.
Okay.
There was an enemy right behind you, by the way.
There was? No way.
Yeah, you could have died.
No wonder I almost died.
This man, max level. Oh shit.
Ay, ay, ay.
Oh hell no! Let me get the fuck out of this.
Ammo. Oh, select loadout.
Oh, one of those? Bitch, I need that. I'm tired of this KM44.
You know what? You're right. I'm gonna switch it out too. I'm gonna use this one.
Oh, can I switch my what you wanna call it? Yes, my core control. There you go.
Okay, I wanna do that too. Wait, how do you do that?
Is this my ICR? Let me switch it to the CUDA. Nah, fuck that.
Bruh, I can't change it. Damn. Oh, well.
That's better.
Alright, guys,
No,
let's
just
go.
go to the armory and press triangle.
Brr.
They're using smoke grenades.
Switching to your EV helps whenever you're blind, whether in the dark or in smoke.
Yeah, I can't do it. Oh.
Well, damn. Does that hurt?
Hostile bots coming through the wall.
Oh, damn.
Again, I'm shooting teammates.
I'm starting to like.
Bro, David, what the fuck? I'm surprised you're not even down right now.
Cause I got the power of friendship.
Okay.
And also, I don't know why I'm so late.
Party ain't over yet.
Slide.
Let's move.
I wanna go.
I got bots moving that rail car. Shred 'em.
Okay, I prefer my LMG now. Sliding. Why is there so many red zones?
Am I controlling them or what?
Okay. Okay.
Cost that much,
They got
right?
snipers. Not good. I don't like it.
Damn, I'm not even hitting the sniper. Okay.
That's how you get shit done.
Die. Die. Okay, I'm dying.
Oh, damn.
Damn it, David. Did you get down again? Gonna have to shave.
Come on, come on.
Your arms glow every time you revive me.
Oh, damn. Oh, there, oh, there.
I'm about to flank these dudes. Watch this. That was so cool.
Okay, this controlling shit does not work.
I don't think you can control the robots.
Oh, it does. Oh, you just gotta release it. Okay. You just disabled it. That's all.
Bruh. I have a grenade launcher.
Looks like they got into the water.
Guy just flopped and died.
On me.
Alright.
Wee! Damn
They're
it.
gonna be through here.
I'll be ready for them. Watch.
Alright.
Keep your fucking head down. Maybe a badass, but you're not a
Oh no, what the fuck is that?
I'll still get you a date with your
They got
man.
little mini tanks.
Oh my god, these level designs. Oh my. Please let this be over, please. This is such a horrible campaign. This makes me want to go play the Modern Warfare 2019 campaign, bro. That's how bad it is.
Makes
And
me
actually
wanna
play a good campaign.
makes me wanna play Vanguard Zombies.
Okay, nah, let's not go that far.
Ow.
I know for sure you remember what happened when we played that shit.
We fell asleep.
I almost fell asleep, man. And I got kicked out of the game for being inactive for like 1 minute. And Josh was inactive for like 5 minutes. Just standing still the whole time.
Forget it, the game was bad, damn.
It was horrible.
And people
It
still
was not
play
even
because of the
bad.
freaking
It's not
season
even
pass.
bad. It's just insanely horrible. It's
And,
just
bruh,
so
and
bad.
it's surprising how people are still playing the game, like, because they
Like,
got,
bro, how do people play? Bro, how do people even play that game? I don't understand. That game is so horrible, dog.
wait! Guys, I can finally wall run!
No, good for you.
Thanks, man. You're a very supportive bunch.
And you die.
Come here, Dick. Give me a hug.
I'm reviving you.
No, actually, it's my 7th time. Let's be like, come on, don't over exaggerate. I know I'm
When you
bad.
edit this video, I want to see that counter, bro.
Well, so far, I'm just gonna say this mission is gonna be episode 2.
Bruh. yeah.
And even episode 2 is gonna be like 50 minutes long.
Yeah. I mean, you could edit some boring parts out, so.
Shoot, I might as well just
I
edit
don't-
the
I don't-
series
I don't
out.
want to keep my. I don't want to keep my missions like too damn long, now.
Oh, we're missing a tank.
Good
come
hunting.
on.
Interface with that door for me.
Okay.
My mind.
What is it?
Somehow you got more kills than me. I don't understand that.
This is where it all went down.
That got almost
Computer
doubled
over
your
there can
kills.
give us
That's
some
crazy.
Insight into how they got the explosives on board.
But he got 31 assists. Hey, oh my
that
god.
explains a lot.
I got 5 in caps, whatever that means. Oh wait, I only got down 5 times.
No, I'm talking about the total of times I revived you, bro.
Oh, then I'm just gonna have to count episode 1. I think that'll be like 4 times at least. Around 4 or 5. The
It's the
first.
robots. They hacked the security robots. They brought the explosives on board.
And let me
Can
guess,
we just
Taylor's
be
gonna
done with the
come.
mission, please?
Oh my god, Taylor
Please.
is broken. Oh god. And now we're on the train.
You want to hear something
Taylor.
ironic?
No.
The reality was, the terrorist attacks actually accelerated the development of the Winslow Accord.
Oh my god, this is still not over.
For the fear of attacks like this one, we probably wouldn't even have the cyber soldier
12
program.
a.m., bro.
Hang in there.
Dude, I'm
7:25.
still gonna talk
Got
about
about
this
5
guy's
minutes.
nose. What the hell did he use to break the glass? It wasn't no gun.
Horrible this campaign is.
see if you can change history. All robots should
Let's go.
Trust me. I'll consider you.
Oh, damn.
Watch your flank. They're coming through the windows.
I have no idea what I just did. I just ran up to that robot and fried its springs. I just learned a new skill.
Oh,
This skill is really crazy with robots. Damn. Come on, guys. You want to go down here?
They coming in. They coming in. They coming
I'm
in.
about to give this guy a hug. Watch. Ow.
Nice. All right, jump up.
You got hostiles climbing.
Guys, give me
Wait a
hugs.
Oh, damn.
Okay, we're getting my decision.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
To a war zone. Help! And how am I
Got him.
still alive?
Because I helped you out, fucking dumbass.
I don't think it was because of that.
In the car right below you. They keep the rest of CNT, but that won't mean anything when the bomb goes off. You better pick up the pace.
David needs to be revived. Fucking dumbass. You're such
I guess
a
this is
dumbass.
the fun part. This is Dick's fun part in the game, reviving me.
Keep pushing up. You've almost lost.
I regret my decision again. Okay, I'm gonna try my best not to go down again. I have a grenade launcher. What the hell?
At least the 12th time I fucking revived your dumb ass.
Do flares affect these boys? I don't think that was a flare. Close enough.
Oh yeah, if I remember, there's armored robots that take like 5 million shots.
Oh, sounds about right. Whoa.
The whole thing's booby-trapped. If I hack it, try to move it, or detach the car, it's gonna blow. It's too much! Even with the computer in my head, there's not enough time!
It's actually very simple.
What?
Wait. This is a maglev tray. If I reverse the polarity on just this car...
What the fuck?
Oh. So. Kill myself. Good.
Honestly, there was no point in saving that train.
Get off the train. Your
Yeah.
DNI might show you all the options, but only you can decide what you're willing to sacrifice. Sometimes, you have to let go.
Well, damn.
Taylor, how's our patient?
As good as can be expected.
I expect better. You should know that.
Welcome back.
Hi.
You're being prepped for surgery now. It's gonna
How the
be
fuck
okay.
I'm not dead? Like,
Hendricks wasn't even injured on
that
the mission.
robot was beating the shit out of me.
He volunteered for this.
And where was he this entire time? Sleeping on that bed? Having the same class as me? Oh my god, guys, are we done yet? Please, I just want to end this. I
Bro,
want
that
to go
should
to
be
sleep.
That should definitely be it.
As I said before, we have no further comment to make at
I'm
this
so
time.
done. I played
We will continue
enough.
to explore avenues of diplomatic negotiations.
The WA have denied sending troops to the region, stating that they are still seeking a diplomatic solution to the standoff.
We are coordinating closely with our allies in order to provide tactical support where needed.
How long have we been doing this, Hendricks?
5 years, give or take.
Sounds about right.
Damn.
You ever think about where we're going next?
Nope. You know me. I just go with the flow.
Wow, so we're robots for 5 years and we're continuing this game. Wow. That's crazy. We are finally done. Well, guys, I guess this is the end of that. Wait, Dick, did you leave? Where'd you go?
Hey.
There he is. Alright, guys, so I guess this is all the time that we have. Yeah, this is definitely gonna be a two-part thing. But my boy Dick, okay, he just left. Alright, guys, I guess I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys in the next one. Who cares what these guys are saying?
Get the fuck out of there. God
Dick,
damn.
anything you want to say about this new series?
I wanted to get the hell out of there. Woo!
I hope you also remember how I feel about the CIA watching over.
Alright, peace out.
See you guys. Dick totally loves this game when playing with me. Right?
Whatever.
Alright, guys. See you the next time.
It's just so silent. Oh, man.